Hello friends, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope you're all doing well and your exam preparations are going good too. In this video, we are going to discuss few preparation tips for the quantitative aptitude section with special reference to IBPS Clerk Exam 2018. Before we start with the video, don't forget to take up a free mock test provided by Oliveboard. To take the test, you can click on the link which is provided in the description box. Oliveboard has launched IBPS Clerk Cracker course 2018, which is a free live online course. It has already started on 29th October and will last till 6th of December. This is a comprehensive course through which we are completing the entire syllabus for all the three sections, which is quantitative aptitude, reasoning, as well as verbal or English. To take or to join this course, also you can click on the link which is provided in the description box and go to the learning section. So we will start with the preparation tips. What are the points that you have to remember with respect to quantitative aptitude? First, speed and accuracy are both important here, as we know that quants is very time consuming, and at the same time we have to be very accurate. It should not be that we are going at a very high speed but we miss out on the accuracy. So we have to remember both speed and accuracy are very important. Now, questions can be attempted if the preparation is thorough. This is less critical thinking questions. So as we know, if we remember the formulas, unlike reasoning, we can attempt questions for quant. So all you need is a lot of practice and remembering the formulas and shortcuts. So focus here should be on data interpretation, as we have seen from the previous year questions that there are a lot of questions being asked from the data interpretation. Coming to the fundamental topics like simple and compound interest, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, number series, etc. These are all very important. So our basics should be very strong in order to say for our preparation and to score more marks. We'll discuss what are the important topics for quants. From analyzing the previous year questions, we found that these are the topics that have highest weightage in the examination, which is data interpretation, quadratic equations, simplification, percentages, profit and loss, and simple and compound interest. Even if you finish these topics in Go, I'm sure you will be able to answer more than 70% of the questions in the examination, provided all these topics you are thorough with. So the general tips while preparing for quants, you have to first start with the fundamental topics and master them, which is percentages, ratio and proportion, profit and loss, simple and compound interest. So once you finish the fundamental topics, you can head on to data interpretation and solve all kinds of questions from the topics. You should not start with data interpretation because here a mixture of these topics are asked. Unless you know the shortcut for percentages or ratio and proportion, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, you will not be able to solve data interpretation questions. So start with the fundamental topics, master them, and then go on to the difficult ones. The recommended books. Quantitative Aptitude for Competitive Examinations by R.S. Agarwal is a very good book. So this is most suitable. How to Prepare for Quantitative Aptitude for CAT by Arun Sharma is the most comprehensive book. Also, you can refer Fast Track Objective Arithmetic by Rajesh Verma. This is the quickest by which you can finish the entire syllabus. I am sure you must have joined the IBPS Clerk Cracker course, which is also an advantage even if you attend all the classes plus the practice sessions plus the doubt clearing sessions. I am sure you do not need any other reference books. Adequate revision is very essential to reinforce your understanding. So first prepare, practice a lot, and then revise all what you've learned. Alternate chapters of learning with revision will give you the maximum benefit. So make sure that today if you're learning, say, profit and loss, then tomorrow maybe you can learn percentages, and every alternate day you can practice so you do not forget any concepts. So what should be your revision strategy? You just have to follow this flow chart, and I am sure you're going to get through the IBPS clerk examination. Start with taking a IBPS clerk mock test by you can click on the description box link and take up a mock test. Then you have to label topics as easy, medium or hard. In the analysis also we will do it for you and we will give it to you, but according to your performance you should know what are the topics easy for you, what are the topics that's medium for you, and what are the topics hard for you. You should start studying the hard topics first, then you should go on to the medium and easy ones. Now if you are confident with your preparation, then take up a topic test, which is you can take up a percentage topic or say a profit and loss topic. Okay, if you are satisfied with your result, you can move on to the another hardest topic, then take up a sectional test, and if you're satisfactory, then you can go on to other mock tests. If you're not satisfied, then you need to revisit the concepts and then take up the topic test again, and once you're satisfied you can move on to other topics, take up sectional test and then the mock test. That's all we have for you in this video. I hope you liked the video. Do share it with your friends, and if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, go ahead and subscribe now to not miss any videos. Thank you.